Hey, it's Jim again, Delano Mountain Custom Models. This is a redo of an engine that I did a few months ago, and I had somebody who wanted me to do one for them. It's a BNSF XBN SD40-2 7881 with the LED lighting upgrade and Tsunami sound, and fully detailed according to and weathered according to prototype photos. So why don't I punch this in? And I didn't change the horn or anything. Sorry about all that. Sometimes it's hard to find. It's hard for me to know what's the exact horn that's supposed to be on there. So why don't we take this guy for a spin and check him out. And again, a lot of people complain about the flashing lights. OBN never had any flashing lights. The lights can be set to not flash if you don't want them to flash, but like most people want them to flash with the horn, so that's why they flash. And there is nothing more realistic than a Tsunami EMD 645. I defy you to find a better sound. Okay, that's it. Just keep watching for more videos. I keep getting client work done, and I keep getting my own work done all the time. And you know, I just really enjoy being able to give a wide variety of different locomotives, you know, to the modeling community. So if you have any ideas on what you may want done, just email me. My email address should be in the comments, or it should be at my website, which is in the comments section of the video. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.